Did you know that a BBA degree can unlock an average salary package of 7 to 8 LPA? Yup, that's right. According to India Today, the value of BBA graduate increases 26% by 2026. That's huge. Welcome future business leaders. Are you ready to start your career? Let's dive into the program of BBA at CGC Jhanjeri, where business meets brilliance and your journey to success begins.
Our BBA program isn't just about books. It's a power-packed journey through real-world business scenarios, industry-relevant projects, and hands-on internship with top companies. And guess what? We are ranked 8th in the top BBA institute in the North Zone and 15th for placement in India by the Times B School Ranking 2024. But that's not all. At CGC Jhanjeri, you are not just earning a degree, you are building a network with successful entrepreneurs, CEOs, and top-notch faculty who have been there and done that.
So why wait? Let's dive into the world of business at CGCJ, where ambition meets achievement and your journey begins here.